Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to add Gmail. Start now. Open Settings, scroll to Mail Accounts, Add Account, and pick Google. When prompted, enter your email and password. This is the quickest path. If you use two-step verification, have your phone or security key handy because Google will prompt for verification immediately. Once done, grant calendar, contacts, and mail permissions so the account fully syncs with iOS native apps. You'll now complete sign in and decide what syncs. Use the Google sign-in window to authenticate. Accept permissions to let iOS fetch mail, calendars, and contacts. After adding, open Settings, Mail Accounts, your Gmail account, and toggle Mail on, then pick how many days to sync if available. If Google blocks the login for security reasons, generate an app password, or approve the sign-in from another trusted device. This resolves most authorization deadlocks. You're nearly done. Finalize and verify. Set Gmail as your default account if you want new mail composed from it. Then open Mail and pull to refresh. Check Inbox, Sent, and Labels to ensure full sync. Make sure notifications are enabled in Settings so you don't miss messages. If sign-in still fails, reset your Google password or clear Safari cookies and site data, then remove and re-add the account.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.